Hello, welcome to our channel. AI is revolutionizing the workplace by automating tasks, significantly reducing operational costs. While millions of jobs may be displaced by 2030, AI also creates new opportunities, particularly in technology sectors. New roles in AI maintenance, ethics, and development are emerging, reshaping traditional job landscapes and requiring new skill sets. AI is revolutionizing work by automating tasks, saving businesses billions and enhancing efficiency. However, it disrupts traditional roles, potentially displacing millions by 2030. Yet, it also creates opportunities, especially in tech, with new roles in AI maintenance, ethics, and development emerging, reshaping the employment landscape. As automation transforms traditional roles, the demand for soft skills like communication, empathy, and creativity grows. Emotional intelligence becomes essential, enabling individuals to adapt and thrive in evolving work environments. These competencies are crucial for navigating the complexities of modern workplaces, ensuring relevance and success in an AI-driven landscape. Individuals excelling in adaptability and innovation are well-positioned to thrive amidst disruptions. Conversely, those relying solely on conventional skills, like basic coding without empathy or user understanding, risk obsolescence. Emphasizing the importance of evolving skill sets is crucial for future workforce success. The builder role is reshaping the workforce by merging technical skills with customer-centric insights. Product managers are evolving to adopt this mindset, blending traditional responsibilities with innovative approaches. The demand for hybrid skill sets is rising, highlighting the importance of versatility and cross-functional expertise in today's job market. Basic coding knowledge is increasingly accessible, with AI tools enabling non-coders to create software. By 2030, 65% of jobs will require coding skills, yet future roles will prioritize creativity over traditional programming. This shift highlights the growing importance of creative skills in tech, transforming traditional job landscapes. Recent trends reveal a decline in entry-level coding jobs due to automation and artificial intelligence, impacting new graduates. High-end software engineers are adapting by focusing on artificial intelligence-related skills. Continuous learning and skill adaptation are crucial for job security in the evolving tech landscape, emphasizing the need for a shift towards artificial intelligence proficiency. Educational curricula must evolve to include artificial intelligence literacy and data analysis, as 64% of employers seek these skills. Emphasizing creativity and critical thinking is crucial, alongside complex problem-solving abilities, to prepare students for future job markets. Integrating artificial intelligence into education ensures adaptability and relevance in an increasingly automated world. Top engineers in tech earn an average of $182,000, with salaries exceeding $200,000 at firms like Meta. Artificial intelligence advancements intensify salary competition, especially for new hires. Specialist skills are in high demand, pushing compensation higher across tech sectors. Effective salary negotiation is vital for attracting and retaining skilled professionals. AI's potential to automate 40% of routine jobs poses significant workforce displacement challenges. Economic structures must adapt to harness AI efficiencies, creating both opportunities and challenges. Universal Basic Income, UBI, emerges as a potential solution to mitigate job losses, offering financial stability in this evolving employment landscape. AI, while powerful, cannot replicate the depth of human experience and creativity. Our unique insights into emotions and needs provide a competitive edge. Those who harness these human elements will find opportunities to innovate and thrive, ensuring that human creativity remains a vital component in an AI-driven world. As AI reshapes our demographic landscape, society shifts from labor-centric to consumption-focused. This transition emphasizes AI as a pivotal productivity tool, reducing the need for traditional labor. Understanding this shift is crucial for adapting to a future where AI enhances efficiency, allowing humans to prioritize creativity and consumption over production. Economic distribution is evolving, with potential shifts in wealth and value recognition. Innovative productivity models are essential, emphasizing human value beyond economic contributions. This shift challenges traditional economic roles, urging a reevaluation of how wealth is distributed and valued in society. AI's duality presents both threats and opportunities. While it may displace roles by automating routine tasks, it also enhances human capabilities, enabling focus on strategic tasks. Adapting skills to align with AI technologies opens new career paths and fosters innovation, crucial for thriving in an evolving job landscape, emphasizing creativity and collaboration. Emerging roles in the creative economy demand a blend of creativity and collaboration. Product designers must empathize with customers, understanding their emotions. Effective problem-solving now requires integrating multiple disciplines, highlighting the importance of hybrid skills in future job landscapes. Balancing AI and human engagement is crucial. While AI enhances efficiency, it lacks the emotional intelligence that soft skills provide. Empathy and communication are vital for building trust and driving business success. Companies must integrate technology with interpersonal relationships to thrive, ensuring that human connection remains at the forefront of customer interactions. Embracing change is crucial for future innovators. Adaptability ensures resilience in evolving landscapes. As AI reshapes industries, developing tech-savvy skills and fostering adaptability are key. Organizations must implement frameworks to prepare for shifts in job requirements, enhancing competitiveness and employee growth. This proactive approach will empower individuals and businesses to thrive in the AI era. AI is revolutionizing industries, reshaping job roles and responsibilities. The future work landscape demands tech-savvy skills, urging a shift in workforce capabilities. To remain competitive, individuals and organizations must adopt frameworks enhancing adaptability and market readiness, ensuring they meet evolving job requirements in the AI era.